such an exciting day!
Yes, Mayor Garth is cleaning the town hall windows.
Oh, no. I'm excited about Mayor Garth's Maze in the Park. He designs a new one every year, full of treats and entertainment. Your mazes are always so much fun!
Glad you like them, Oolie Pom.
A maze, eh? Filled with treats and entertainment. Not if I mess about with it first.
And this year's maze is super fun.
I can't wait. Can we all go now?
What do you reckon, Blobbos?
They say you missed a bit.
Oh, so I did. Why don't you go ahead while I finish up here? You can wait for me at the entrance to the maze.
Yes, let's go.
Oh no. This is the third turn we've taken, and none of them have turned out nice.
This isn't at all like Mayor Garth's usual mazes. Where are all the treats and entertainment he usually fills them with?
I knew it wouldn't take long before they got lost in my messed up maze maze.
Maybe we should ask the maze keeper for help.
Mr. Maze Keeper, we're not having fun. Can you guide us out, please?
Certainly. The ball will show you the way.
What ball?
Uh-oh.
Ah! That ball! Ah!
Oh, Oolie Pom, Alva, Mo. Maybe they've gone in without me. Goodness! And what are those creepy vines doing there? What's that rumbling? My maze is being messed with. I can't even take a peek on my tippy toes. That hedge is too tall. I hope Alva, Mo, and Oolie Pom aren't lost in there. Oh, what to do? Aha!
Mayor Garth is gone. Now I can really concentrate on my maze guests. Excellent.
Yuck! How are we going to get across?
Ha! You will never make it over the puddle of doom.
Yes!
Huh?
Whee! Woo!
Yay! Oh, good thinking, Alva. But I'm worried about what awful thing is around the next corner.
I can't imagine Mayor Garth would have created a maze like this.
It's all my fault. I should have waited for him to guide us through.
I'm sorry you're not having a good time, Pom. I know how you feel. Sometimes it's hard to wait for something you really want.
Behold the impossible muddy mound.
There's no need to announce it. We can see how impassable, muddy, and moundy it is from here.
Oh no. We'll have to go back.
Yes, but maybe not too far back.
I believe Alva is having one of her oolerific ideas.
Ooh.
A little further. One more push.
Now, grab a vine. Ooh.
Wow!
Hey, where did they go? Oh!
Let's get out of here.
Oh!
Oh no.
Ahoy, Alva!
Where are you, Mayor Garth?
Up here! Jump on board!
Oh, I'm stuck in icky mud.
Ah, that would be the puddle of doom he warned us about.